Modern applications start simple. Docker Compose makes it easy to run multiple containers on your local machine. But as your user base grows, you quickly hit the limits of a single server. Docker Compose is the king of local development. It uses a single YAML file to define your entire stack. It's efficient and fast for coding, but it runs everything on one machine. This creates a critical bottleneck. In production, one machine means one failure point. If your host crashes or your database hits its resource limit, your entire application goes down. There is no automatic recovery, and manual intervention is your only hope. This is where Kubernetes changes everything. Instead of relying on one server, Kubernetes transforms your infrastructure into an intelligent, distributed cluster of nodes that work as a single unit. At the heart of Kubernetes is the control plane. It acts as the brain, scheduling workloads across worker nodes. You no longer manage servers. You manage desired states. You tell Kubernetes what you want, and it makes it happen. Kubernetes networking is sophisticated. Every pod gets its own IP address, and services provide stable entry points. This allows for complex microservice communication that spans across multiple physical machines seamlessly. The first superpower is auto-scaling. When traffic spikes, Kubernetes detects the load and automatically spins up new replicas of your application to meet demand, with zero manual intervention. The second superpower is self-healing. If a pod crashes or a node fails, Kubernetes notices the discrepancy. It instantly restarts the service or reschedules it onto a healthy node, ensuring total uptime. Even updates are handled intelligently. Rolling updates ensure that new versions of your app are deployed one container at a time, keeping your service online while the transition happens. This reliability is why Kubernetes is the foundation of every major cloud platform and enterprise production environment. It's no longer optional. It's the standard for modern cloud computing. Docker Compose is perfect for local speed and simplicity, but for scale, reliability, and production-grade resilience, Kubernetes is the architecture that changes everything. Kubernetes is not optional anymore. It's the standard. Build for the future.